guys, thanks for clicking this video. Today's video is going to be the summary of John Green's bestseller novel, The Paper Towns. Before getting into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest video updates. Paper Towns is a story of coming-of-age teenagers that follow the lives of two childhood friends, Quentin Q. Jacobson and Margaret Spiegelman. When they are 9 years old, Quentin and Margot discover a dead body while cycling in the park. Quentin wants to forget what he sees and moves on, while Margot is curious and goes to investigate, only to find that the dead man has committed suicide. 9 years later, Quentin and Margot is no longer a close friend and barely talk to each other since they have found the dead body. Margot is a glamorous and popular girl amongst her colleagues. Quentin is not alone as he has excellent friends, Radar and Bin. One night, Margot sneaks into Quentin's room and asks him a favor. She finds out that her boyfriend Jace cheats on her with her best friend Becca. She asks Quentin to borrow his mom's car, driving around all night, planning and seeking revenge on her now ex-boyfriend. After the plan succeeds, Margot takes Quentin to a downtown SunTrust building with an overview of Orlando. She tells him that Orlando is a paper town with paper people, full of superficial people that go around every day and become what society wants them to be. At this time, Quentin feels that relationship has blossomed. The next day, Margot isn't at school. While it is not the first time she is missing, Quentin thinks that this time it is different. One weekend, Margot's parents arrive at Quentin's house accompanied by a detective who authorizes to investigate Margot's disappearance. Margot's parents mention about her habit of leaving vague clues of her whereabouts each time she runs away. Along with Ben and Radar, Quentin goes to Margot's room and uncovers some clues, which include a collection of poetry, Leaves of Grass by Walt Whitman. On the next day, Quentin has been thinking over two lines in one of Whitman's poem, Song of Myself, which urge the reader to remove doors from their hinges, and he assumes that it must have held other clues. Lacey, Margot's friend, approaches Quentin and his friends ask if they know anything about her disappearance. Using clues from Whitman's poem, Quentin removes his own bedroom door off its hinges and finds a scrap of paper with an address printed on it. That night, Quentin, Radar and Ben drive to the address that leads to an abandoned mall. Inside, they discover some graffiti that written, "You will go to the paper towns and you will never come back." Quentin began to think that Margot may kill herself. Quentin, Ben and Radar keep coming back to the abandoned mall to search for more clues. One day he discovers a map of New York and pushes pins on the wall of the room. While holding the map of New York up to the pins, he figures out that they make a line of places on the map. He thinks Margot might point to travel and want him to find her. One place that catches his attention is Agloe, New York. Further research shows that Agloe is one of the paper towns, a fake town created by mapmaker, and it shows that the town has one population with a note that says 1 until May 29th at noon. Quentin thinks it must be Margot and he must find her. Quentin, Ben, Radar and Lacey skip their graduation party and head out on 21 hours of a road trip to find Margot. After such a long adventure, they arrive at Agloe, only to find an abandoned barn with Margot inside. Much to their surprise, Margot is furious as she wishes not to be found. Quentin stays with Margot while the others storm out in anger. Margot and Quentin spend the rest of the day together, talking about their journey of the past 3 weeks since she disappears. Quentin wants Margot to come back to Orlando with him. However, Margot has changed along her journey. She's tired of being what everyone thinks and wants her to be. In the end, Quentin and Margot realize that they have different paths in life. They both know that their relationship would never be back like they used to be, and Margot would continue her journey on her own. Here comes the end of the video. Please do comment how much you liked it, and please feel free to suggest video you want to see next on this channel. Till then, take care and bye.